if you get what I'm saying. Hey YouTube, it's Lasha. Welcome back to my channel. So how are you guys doing? I hope you all are doing great and safe. So welcome back to yet another haul video of mine, and you know how I do hauls. सब चीजें साथ में दिखा देती हूँ. So yeah, I did shop from Myntra, Savannah, also from Nykaa. Like थोड़ा बहुत makeup है. These are the dresses and outfits I've been loving lately. मैंने Instagram पे जब डाला ना ये सब, everybody has been asking me for links. So first up, I'm starting with gym clothing because I've been loving these two article for my gym, and obviously मैं रोज नहीं पहन सकती, but I do repeat them once a week. So first up is this gym top from Savannah. I love the neckline of this, and the best part of this top is that it has these inbuilt pads underneath. You don't really need to wear a bra, but if you don't like them, just in case, they have this hole right here so that you can remove it and wear your own basic bra. I also don't like it sometimes. It looks really flattering on my body type. Next up, I recently got this jogger from Adidas. I absolutely love this one. I got this from Myntra. Myntra में क्योंकि सारे authentic ही मिलते हैं brand, so you can definitely go for it. And they have a lot of offers going on recently. It is very oversized, and that's what I love about it. It is perfect for, if you go to the gym, you'll understand. It is such a perfect jogger for leg days. I don't really wear tights. I feel the most comfortable in joggers, so perfect. I got this around 4,000, but there are a lot of offers going on Myntra, so do check it out. Coming to my signature aesthetic, which is dresses and formal wear. I am a kind of a person who can literally live in a dress. Getting started with that, first up, I got this coat from Mango, which is बिल्कुल shorts जैसी है ये. I love the check print which is going on right here, and I can't wait to style it. No one does it like Mango in skirts or skirts. They are a bit pricey, so to match this one, I got this top from Ginger, which I absolutely love, guys. I love this button detailing wale corsety tops. It looks very chic. You can style it with a trouser. Also, you can style it with a black skirt if you want. I got this skirt for this one. I don't know if they're gonna match, but yes, I'm gonna try it with a trouser for sure because it's gonna look so hot in it. So I have one piece of article from Savannah. I think I'm in my jumpsuit era. अभी मैंने एक reel डाला था jumpsuit में, and my DMs were literally blowing up with everybody asking me link for the outfit. मैं थक गई हूँ reply करते करते सबको, but yeah, I did get one more jumpsuit. That's how it looks like. It's in the color blue. I love blue, guys. Black is my soul's color, and blue has a very special place in my heart. I really like blue, guys. Blue is me. It's in the size small because that's what fits me. It has these fake pockets wala design. It has zip. It is the perfect bye summer outfit. The color speaks fall. So we have what I'm wearing right now. I'm wearing this bodysuit kinda top. It's from Myntra, from this brand called Trendyol. You can just look at this. I love the cuts right here, and it's also full sleeves. I just love the work that has been done. Last but not the least, for the clothing pieces, makeup bhi hai guys abhi mere pe. So we have this box. It says Trendyol X something. I got this from Myntra. Trendyol is available on Myntra. When we open this, we have a pretty dress. Long bodycon dress. I love it. I love bodycon dresses, guys. So it has these net sleeves. बिल्कुल ruched है ये dress. And the best part about it, which attracted me the most, was this. Comes here. Perfect fall/winter dress you'll ever have, and it is long. It looks very chic and sexy. At the back, they have this cut right here, which just makes you look like a goddess. I love it. अगर आपको मेरा aesthetic and style पसंद है, आँख बंद करके ये ले लेना. Coming to makeup, मैंने ज्यादा नहीं लिया है, guys. So I'm not a very brand oriented person. मैं Nykaa से ही लेती हूँ या मैं Tira से ही लेती हूँ. I shop from both of them. I compare the prices and then I buy. जिस पे भी अच्छा प्राइस लग रहा होता है मैं उसी से खरीदती हूँ. Tira has the best discount ever. So first up, I got this lip liner from Pack Cosmetics. My mom was ordering some things, so I was like, मेरे को भी करना है. In the shade Barely Brown. That's how it looks like. It is such a pretty shade. Wow. It is such a pretty shade. It has already added some definition to my lips. Love it. Love it. And I love the packaging, guys. Like, it's very practical. मैं भी ये वाली lipstick पहनी हुई है. Next up, I got this brush from PAC. It is their blush brush. The number is 262. Okay, that's how it looks like. So you just apply your blush like this. मेरे को ना ऐसे boyfriend blush लगाना पसंद नहीं है. Just make sure cheeks look very fuller, like you have got some Botox done on your face. It looks very plump, which I don't like. I like to add some definition to my face, so I do this angular type of blush. So that's that. I'm a privy member on Nykaa. मुझे हमेशा मैं जो कुछ भी order करती हूँ ना, they always give me free stuff, which is the best part. I got this mini bronzer from Sugar Cosmetics. I have the Hoola bronzer also, which I also got in PR. हाँ, failed in front of this one. Like I'm wearing it right now. अगर मुझे contour अच्छे से करना आता, तो I would have been looking like a model, if you get what I'm saying. It's in the shade Top Topper 01. I guess it's my shade. तो टीरा से मैंने L'Oreal का एक product लिया था. They have launched अभी. I did a campaign for them as well. I shopped a lot from Tira. Gave me a lot of points to buy something for free. ये टीरा में होता है. Buy for a certain amount on Tira. They give you these points and you can get stuff for free. So I got one more bronzer. Free में. I got this bronzer for free from this brand called The Balm. I have their blush. Wait, I have their blush also right here. As you can clearly see, I use it religiously. I'm wearing it now. तो अगर blush अच्छा है तो obviously bronzer तो अच्छा होगा ही ना guys. Like, I got this mini bronzer from The Balm. I love their packaging. It's very eco-friendly. They have this little mirror right here, and we have the bronzer here. It's a powder-based product, but आपकी skin पे बिल्कुल creamy लगेगा. I guess I didn't splurge a lot in this haul because I'm very mindful nowadays. My birthday is approaching. तो मेरे को वहाँ के लिए shopping बहुत करना है. So I've gotta stop. That was it for this video, and I hope you guys liked it. And if you wanna buy any of these things, so I'm gonna add all the links in the description box below. So don't forget to check it out. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. And yeah, I'll see you next. Bye.